viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with next topic, that is sound of the vowel U. So now let's read the words with the sound of the vowel U. So first of all, the read alouds we have been given. जल्दी से इनको पढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं कि वॉवल यू की जो साउंड है उसको हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. राइट? सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज M-U-G, mug. B-U-N, bun. R-U-N, run. N-U-T, nut. S-U-N, sun. And R-U-G, rug. Right? After that, now we have some sing alouds. So let's sing it aloud all together. So, quack, 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 quack. Duck speaks quack. There's hunter on the hill waiting for his luck. Right? So, I hope you all are somewhere clear about the sound of the vowel U. To make it more clear, we have some kind of phonic drills. तो जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं और U के साउंड को और भी ज्यादा क्लियरली और भी ज्यादा अच्छे से जानते हैं. So the first one is UN. So R-U-N, run. N-U-N, none. B-U-N, bun. S-U-N, sun. F-U-N, fun. Next word, the next phonic drill that we have is U-T. So, N-U-T, nut. H-U-T, hut. B-U-T, butt. R-U-T, rut. And C-U-T, cut. Next phonic drill is U-M. So, R-U-M, rum. M-U-M, mum. B-U-S, bus. Y-U-M, yum. And G-U-M, gum. Next is the U-G. So, R-U-G, rug. J-U-G, jug. B-U-G, bug. T-U-G, tug. And H-U-G, hug. The last one, the last phonic drill that we have is U-M-P. So, L-U-M-P, lump. J-U-M-P, jump. B-U-M-P, bump. P-U-M-P, pump. And D-U-M-P, dump. So, all these were the sounds of the vowel U with some phonic drills and some sing alouds that made the concept of the sound of the vowel U very clear. So, that was all about this topic. I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned something from this. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.